How are you?
Hi, sir.
I don't know if you can hear the music, but that was a pretty cool experience.
Projected time of projected time. It should be BTA, Bangalore time.
So what are we eating here?
So we are eating the Indian thali, the full chicken meal.
With curry.
How's it?
Curry with curry. It's going good. Wow, this is unbelievable. Holy cow. Wow, that's amazing. What an entrance.
Very nice to meet you.
My name's Corey. Thank you so much. Thank you.
About 74, 75 years old. Because of the old building, that roof was very leakage during rainy season, and walls are weakened. So it was a very necessity for a new school building because the learning was very
Challenging.
difficult
Yes.
in that such condition.
So this portion is where we are standing, this part. And then this portion is what we are seeing here. This part.
This is how the building's currently set up, like this.
Yeah, that's how, I mean, this was all the space that we had.
It's not a lot of space. This is not a lot of space for a school, so let's make it pretty awesome. Hanging out here with the crew that's building the school. It's going to be really awesome when it's done. Thank you.
Well, I guess we're doing one more. We're doing one more.
Nice.
I told them I can, but I rules.
You have Vinook is my executive protection here. With a rose, no guns, just roses. Just going for a walk in the village here. Pretty cool. Hopefully you can see this around me. It's pretty awesome. We're going to the school. We're walking to the old school. Oh, some chickens. Hi.
Yes, 1 second.
Oh, it is on. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಾರತ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆ ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾರುತ್ತ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಉಸಿರು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಭಾರತ
3, 2, 1, go!
Jumping off the floor, dancing till your feet is sore. Party hard just like it's Mardi Gras, cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we bored, we party cause we born to party. We gon' move our bodies with our hands in the air. And
3,
wave 'em
2,
all
1,
around
stop.
like we just don't care.
Round 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. We like
Look at this cool crew I have here today. All right. Very good.
Now you think
Boom. Boom. Boom.
They have done a great job, sir. And quality, they have done a quality.
Wonderful. Yes. You did such a great job. You're the king. Yeah, you're the king. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you. Hello. Say hi to my daughters in America. Say hey, girls. So this, what I'm stepping on, is cow dung. So I'm walking on cow dung. Okay, it's all right. Those guys. Hang on, I need to do this right. Wait. I need a bow for you. Good seeing you. Thank you so much. Yeah. See you soon. Well done. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. High five.
Donald Trump is the president.
That's funny.
Very good.
Goodbye. See you. Oh, Antonio, you're coming with. I'll just stand here and watch everything go by. It's great. Everything's good. All right, so we just went to a school and they treated us like royalty for some odd reason. It was actually kind of embarrassing, but it was super fun.
Super fun. Yes.
Super fun.
Nice to the kids.
Wow, look at the traffic. Okay. For not letting me die. You guys are watching me. They're my bodyguards. They're making sure I don't get run over.
Till I put you in the flight. Wait till bro. They put you.
Wow, what an amazing experience that was. Did you join us? Are you jumping in?
No, he was at the
He
school.
was.
No, I know. I saw it at the end. I saw it at the end.
I was the show
Okay, I'll go. See you. Thank you.
Wow. How cool was that? Whoa, look what it's going across. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are so cool. Oh my goodness. Woo! Unbelievable. That's amazing.
If you had a banana or something, just take it.
Oh, that's so good. How hard was it to not honk the entire week?
I tried my best though.
You drove amazing this entire week, but you didn't honk once. It must have been hard. Very difficult.
Very stressful.
Look at the hand. His hand is shaking. He needs to honk it one time just for me. There you go.